The October 15th deadline is over, so you have no excuse not to watch my October 2011 accounting update. I'm Greg Kyte.
Put your hands together for Greg Kyte, everyone!
Holy hell! God. Holy, yay! Hello. We've had another amazing month in the world of accounting, and I'm here to tell you about it. I want to make sure everyone is aware that October 17th to 23rd is National Estate Planning Awareness Month. Sorry, a week. It's only a week because it's 7 days. I'm an accountant. It's generally the week when children become aware that their parents don't have an estate. Because kids inherit the estate of their parents. The Chartered Institute of Management Accountants is offering a new designation for accountants. Please pay attention to this, people. The designation is called an advanced degree in Islamic finance. What the hell does that even mean? An advanced degree in Islamic finance. I hope that someone with that designation can finally answer my question about whether or not my underpants bomb is a personal expense or a business deduction. Or possibly in the Feast of Ramadan, it's a charitable contribution. I don't know. I also hope that they train people when they're getting this advanced degree in Islamic finance, whether or not suicide bombers should be classified as employees or as inventory, because I'm confused about that. And if they can be considered inventory, you better believe it should be acceptable for us to expense them using the LIFO method. Inventory valuation joke. There was a huge discussion raging during the last month in the accounting community about whether it's a good business decision to invest in iPads at your CPA firm for your accountants. And I know that nobody really wanted to say this, but I know that the reason that even came up is just because iPads are freaking cool. Now, it has been demonstrated that they are not cool enough to remove the stink of chess club and mathletics that plagues most CPAs and accountants. Because we're nerds, is what I mean by that joke. The next thing, if your firm is trying to make this decision, you have to keep in mind that an iPad is designed for consuming content, not for creating content, which is awesome that all of a sudden launching misshapen, deformed, wingless, exploding birds from a virtual slingshot at green quadriplegic hogs can now be referred to as consuming content. I'd like to call BS on that. Because what you really call that is playing a video game on your iPad at work. The other thing, now if your firm is considering this a downside to buying iPads for your accountants, iPads come with inherent security risks, specifically the risk of a data security breach if your iPad is lost or stolen. Very cool thing I found out. iPods come with what is called a built-in remote wipe function. And when I read that, I thought to myself, I wish my children came with a built-in remote wipe function. It's a poop joke. Okay? My son's 6, he can't wipe his own ass. There, I said it. In public, he's a bad father, and I failed him. And not even the ghost of Steve Jobs can make that right. But here's the cool thing. They have determined that the best way to prevent the theft of an iPad is to buy and adhere decals on it that say Samsung Galaxy. That's a competitor brand of them. And finally, the last drawback that I found about the iPad is that it does not support programs that were built using the Adobe Flash software, which means that if you'd like to view a video or play a game that was built on the Adobe Flash platform, you're going to have a hard time. Now, let me be very clear about this point. It is a business necessity that you are able to watch movies and play video games if you are a professional that bills their clients by the hour. Thanks so much, guys. I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching the update. If you want to have an email notification every time there's a new update, go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Greg Kyte is what you have to type in. Find the Greg Kyte channel, subscribe to that. You'll get an automatic email about that. If your company needs entertainment for its Christmas party, get a hold of me. I can probably still squeeze you in, but get a hold of me soon. And last of all, please listen to the Thrivecast, the monthly podcast of the Thrival CPA Network, co-created by the Cloud Solutions Alliance. So thanks so much for watching. See you next month.